Good Thursday morning, everyone. Today we will meet in Math Zoom all together, but Group A will break off into a room. Both groups will have an activity that is posted at 9:50 that we will be working off of. Following math, our reading groups will begin. I posted the stories last night on Seesaw. Be ready to participate. After reading groups, you will have an activity posted on drawing conclusions and vocabulary. I also work on your recording for your podcast. A template for the recording was sent as an activity yesterday, so we can all listen to them in our Zoom session tomorrow. So you just need to record. You do not have to videotape. A podcast is a recording. So I will see y'all soon. Have a great day.